Ladies and gentlemen, hello to everybody. I hope you're doing great and feeling well. I'm Mary from Hyperpix Productions team, and today I'm back with a brilliant style for the lovers of 80s designs, which contains vaporwave styles, synthwave styles, and retro styles, which the lovers of these styles should be very happy, because this product allows you to convert your text or logos into this attractive style and use it in all different styles. So like all of our other products, it works on every single language you can imagine. This is how it works on Japanese. You could see it looks magnificent, and also on any logo you would like to use, it works great. As you see how perfect this other logo is converted into this 80s style, and honestly it's fantastic. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn a logo into the style, and also how you can work with this style and change the text. So to download this product, just go to hyperpix.net, and all you need to do is just get the VIP membership, and you're going to have a complete access to this product and all the others. And follow me to the end of this video, and I'm going to show you how you can work with this product. So to get started, we just right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. So in the window which appears right here, we have two texts right here, which easily with a single double click on each one, I can edit it and just type my ideal text, just like this. So the same with the second text, and here we go. So I'm just going to enlarge the text a little so it's excellent. So the pattern which we have inside our text, with double click on this icon right here, and we have a wave right here which we can select pattern overlay and just drag your mouse and just place it wherever you like. I think it's perfect right here. So okay, the same with the next text, we do the same, and excellent. So everything's perfect and ready, so we can just save our style. So I'm just going to close and click save and wait a moment till my style is applied on my text. So how beautiful. We're back right here, everything's applied automatically, and you can see your brilliant result, which is so interesting and attractive. So I'm just going to get on with the rest of the groups and layers. So first of all, from the effects folder, we open Extrusion. We have 6 levels right here for the style, which contain the depth of our 3D effect, which by switching off each one of these levels, you're going to decrease the depth of the 3D, just like this. So if you want to have your text with less depth, you're totally free right here, guys. I suggest you to just switch off the Extrusion folder temporary, as this style has many layers. It can make your system slow down a little. So again, with the rest of the layers, we start from the first part, which is the adjustments folder, which contains the colors, brightness and contrast settings. The first group is the colors, contrast and brightness, which by changing each one of the parameters you can get to some totally new results. And honestly, you can just play around with these options and have so much fun. As you see, the different results which you have right here. So it depends on your taste, but you can just change around the options. So also, if you like, you can just use the default font. So we have the inner shadow, which is vignette, which by increasing or decreasing the opacity you can just change. Also, you can just change around the color and select it yourself, any color you like. So we have 2 groups right here which contain noise on and noise off. As you see, we have a noise spread all over our style, because this style is inspired from the 80s, and those styles mostly had a noise. But if you don't like the noise, just switch off noise on and switch on noise off instead. As you see, we don't have any more noise in our background, and the result is interesting. So I'm just going to switch on the noise. Just notice that one of these 2 groups should be left on. If both be left on, it could be very bright and light, and if they both be off, it can have another effect. So the next part is the text, which we have at the top right here, which easily you can just double click, as we've done with the other ones, and just change it, or you can just move the text around easily. So I'm just going to change the text and type something else right here, just like this. Just a moment. Here we go. And you can also change the fonts and customize to your liking. So the next part is this text which you have right here, which just with a single double click you can change and type your own text, just like this. And enlarge, minimize, change the font or the color, or make any other changes you have in mind. So the highlights part is what we have on our text. It's the highlight we have on our text, which is very interesting and attractive, which you can just change it and customize. So we have the sparkles, which on most of our products we have them, which they're here to give a beautiful light reflection. All you need to do is just select them one by one and place them on any part of the text which you like. I suggest you to insert them and place them on the edges and the corners of the text, and it has a huge effect in giving the light reflection. Also, you can just select any extra sparkles you want and just remove them and delete them easily. I'm just going to place this one in its right place, and it's perfect. I'm not going to put a lot of time, take time in the video, but don't forget to carry on and continue and put a little patience and place all of the sparkles in their right place, and you're going to be impressed with the results. So we have the effects folder, which contains the main styles and main layers, which I suggest you to just try to ignore this folder and don't get into it too much. So we explained the extrusion earlier on, which we switched it off temporary, but I suggest you to just ignore the rest of the folders. It might be a little complicated. So the glow section is the glow we have behind our text, which you could just switch it off, totally free. So we go on with the next group. We have one more glow folder right here, which is the glow in the background of our text, which finally we get to the stars in the background, which we can switch them off or on. And finally we have the main color in the background, which just with a single click you can just change it around. So I'm finished with this style. I'm just going to switch extrusion back on. So everything's ready. So here we go. It's fantastic and beautiful, as you see. Also the 3D effect is back to our style. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this product, to download this, refer to hypertext.net, and all you need to do is just get the VIP membership. We're going to surprise you every week with so many newly added products, and also the products in the website are going to increase day by day. All you need to do is just subscribe our YouTube channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share us with your friends and support us. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Bye to our next video from Mary.